Nerve stomp. He got all of it.
Going for Caleb.
Oh man, I was really excited. Oh my God, he just.
You got the athlete Tommy Powers here calling the action.
It's crazy, just repeatedly.
Time up. Oh!
Oh wait. Oh.
Getting his footing, coming off the top rope. Oh, wait a minute, look at that. Beautiful.
Hottest newcomer in the game right now. Oh. Oh.
Flies to the outside.
Sponsors.
10% off coupon.
Oh, madness going on over here. Oh my God. Over the
Lid up over top. Into a run on the
Spectacular aerial artist. God.
Going for
450. Ability. Now look at Zach Wentz up and over the top.
To the canvas. Boone so proud of himself.
now picking up.
What?
What? Did that just...
And using the rafters. That's right. Oh! Coming out on top. Oh!
It featured tonight in Clive, Iowa. The ricochet.
Oh! Oh!
hitting the ropes, going up. Oh, big.
Top. Oh, moonsault to the floor!
Shooting.
He's going to dive. Oh!